Do you have a token you want to research on to know whether it is fake and you don't know how to go about it? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step what to do, how to do it, where to go, researching if a token is actually a scam. Step by step, you will learn everything we are talking about. You can afford to risk your money to scam people. You know that crypto space is a risky environment. That is why if you watch 10 videos today, they will tell you do your own research. And this outline step by step how to do a research on any crypto token to know if it's a scam. I want to welcome you to my space today. My name is Chima. I am the anchorman of Crypto Office. Crypto Office is your platform that empowers you with quality education that help you in your quest for digital asset. I want to thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to this channel, encourage you. Please smash the subscription button to help us so that algorithm will be able to show this video to other people. Like this video. Let me hear your comment. Do you have experience of being scammed on cryptocurrency space? Let me hear your comment on the comment section. Also on this video, you're going to be checking out the description because there are links to the tools that we use on this video that will help you, okay? I want to thank you so much. You can also check out on the description below, you're going to see the stamp to be able to skip one after the other to the one that is interesting to you. Thank you so much as we, without wasting any more time, jumping right in to discover how to do a research on any token. Are you ready? Join me on the other side. You are super welcome to this episode. We are taking a look at how to do your own research and figure out if a token is actually a scam. The first step number one, take the contract address of such token to Etherscan if the token is on Ethereum network to verify if there is any scam associated with it. So copy the contract address, come right here on this search by address bar and paste on it. Click on search. It's going to check on the blockchain everything about this contract address. Okay, we just done that. And this is the information that we currently have concerning this address. There is a warning here for us. It says there is a report that this address was used in a phishing scam, a SaaS caution when interacting with it. So this is a clear evidence that this contract address is a scam. You don't have to do anything with any scam. So that's step number one, verify if the contract address has any issue or associated with any scam. Please zoom off, do not go. That is signal number one. Signal number two, having checked and Etherscan returns some result for you. You begin to dig deep on this particular address. Step number two is to check the transactions done or associated with such token in a couple of days. Okay. Now, let's see these transactions. This one was done in the last 6 days, 6 hours ago. But check out, is a fake phishing. It has a report here, a fake phishing. Are you seeing this? So this also is on the blockchain. You can see that. So this address is completely a scam. You don't have to do anything with such things. So this will help you to figure out this. You can see this is scam. You can see fake phishing. Awesome. So the next thing, step number three, check the contract itself. The contract itself. If the contract is not verified, like this one here, this contract is not verified. It's a verify and publish your contract source code today. So it means that this contract is not verified. So if it's not verified, it could be a signal that this can be a scam because every authentic project verify their codes, okay, and publish them. But every scammy project will not want to verify their project. This is very, very important. We said, take step number one, go to Etherscan and check if there is any alert on that contract address. Then check the transactions done on it. If there is any signal that is attached to scam, then you go to the contract to verify if the contract is verified. Right now, the next step, check the comments, what people are talking about on this particular stuff right now. Okay, I hope it's gonna come. Okay, so I should reload. Let's see what is going on. Let us know. Beautiful. This course is loaded right now. Let's see what people are talking about. Last 7 days, someone say, hey, token loss, recovery available here. These are scam guys. Do not listen to them, okay? But look at this. Look at this guy here, Dave. Dave said, cancel token is a scam. Are you seeing this? It's a scam, okay? All these guys, they're asking you, if you lost your token, send email to this particular address. Please don't send. They are all the same set of people. You don't need to fall into their hands, okay? This is their work, scam people. So this particular token we are looking at here is completely a scam. These are the steps you need to verify. These are the steps you need to take to verify if a token is on the scam watch, okay? But it does not stop there. It does not stop there. Let us so the next step you need to take, step number 4, go and Google that contract address. Right now, the contract address is here on Google, okay? Search for it and see what people are talking about it. Look at this here, okay? Look at it here. Look at this Twitter. Look at the contract address. Let's see what it's talking about. Okay, but I can see it say the ENS is EAX. S.F. Do not fall for any scam. ASS has not started trading anywhere. So are you seeing this? So this guy is informing people that if they're asking you to buy any AS token, it could be a scam. This is very important. So now the main essence of Googling this address is to verify if there is any white paper attached to this contact address, okay? And if there is any website, this is also pointing to it. When you Google and there is a white paper listed that is attached to this address, go check them out. Verify that such white paper is professionally written. This is very, very important. Okay, so Google the contact address, see what people are saying about it. Like this one, could be, don't fall into a scam. You can see this. That's helping us. We can find information. You can verify more on the Twitter handle to know what this guy is saying. Okay, this guy said this address, ENS is this, do not fall. You will be notified in advance of any listing and pool creation. Are you seeing that? This is even the people that own it. This is Asia Infinity. They say this contract address, please be very, don't fall into any scam. They are not selling any AS token right now. This is very important. That's the help of Google, Googling the contact address. Okay, very, very important. Next step, go and search for scam address that are blacklisted. This is very important. I have this address here for Ethereum tokens. So I'm going to put it in description for you so that you can go and check out for yourself. All you need to do is to come here, you can press Ctrl F on your keyboard to show them, paste the contact address you have. Okay. Awesome. Can you see it here? Can you see it? Line number 229. This contract address is already blacklisted. Can you see that? This is exactly what I'm saying. These people, they have a list, thousands of them that are already blacklisted. Thousands of contract addresses that are blacklisted as scam. Okay? So this is another way you can check out if address has anything to do with scam. A list that is maintained by DApp. They have a list of blacklisted contract addresses. You can check out for yourself if it has anything to do with scam. Okay, this is very important. Go check out this on GitHub. I will drop the address for you on the description below so that you can verify. There is another issue. Most scam tokens, you have to check if the liquidity is dropping, even though they have 1 million USD liquidity
and is being depleted often and on. The volume, the liquidity is being depleted. Volume is going down. Okay, volume is going down. This is a sign, a huge sign that such can be a scam. You need to be very, very careful. Verify that is not a scam. This particular contract address has zero volume. So if the volume is depreciating at a very high speed, when people are coming in, and the volume is going down, that is a sign that it could be a scam. So you go check out. There are places you can check out a lot for liquidity. You can check out for volume traded. Okay, one of them is DAppRadar. Okay, DAppRadar.com has a very good interface to show us. You can search a lot of tokens here. So just come here. You can paste the contract address here, something like this. Okay, you search. If there's anything associated, if there's any token associated with that, although right now this button is on, so high risk tokens cannot be shown in this place. Are you with me? It's currently searching for this. It did not find, because high risk tokens cannot be allowed on this place. Okay, so let's go all out. Let's cancel this search right now. But that is how to find out if a token is completely a scam. So come here, check the volume. What is the volume in the last 24 hours? What is the volume in the last 7 days? Are you with me? So you have to check. I don't know the interface that you would like to use. You can use CoinMarketCap. You can use CoinGecko to check for volume of what. And if the volume is depreciating at the high speed place, it may mean that that contract address may be a scam. That token may be a scam. That's what these guys are up to. That's what they used to do. Okay. That is step number 4. Be very, very wary of tokens that are listed only on Uniswap. That's DEX. DEX, decentralized exchanges. When you are seeing that that token is only available at decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, whatever swap, if it's only available on that place, be very, very careful about such token. Okay? Because they are using these swaps to penetrate a lot of scam on this space. You need to be very, very careful when you are working with Uniswap, working with PancakeSwap, working with SushiSwap, everything swap. If the token is only available on decentralized exchanges, please be very, very careful about such token. It may be a scam. That's another thing you have to know. I've told you about volume. I've also told you about decentralized exchange. A lot of scams are going on in decentralized exchanges. You need to be very, very careful about it. Then the next step you need to take is to check out where it's listed. Okay. Yes. Check out if it's listed on popular listing platforms. Even with that, a lot of tokens turn out to be scam on such places. So there's need to be diligent on your own research. If you don't want to do anything with high risk, you can come to Token Explorer on DAppRadar and check out such tokens if it's available. You're going to be found there. We are looking at Qualcomm Metaverse, only available on Uniswap. Okay, the liquidity is 0. Not available, there's no volume. Then 15 people, 15 addresses is holding it. There is 22 transactions. Imagine. And 2 transactions, 15 addresses is having it. So that's it. This is 0. There is a what I call this score. This is going to grow to check if this project reliability score based on this point. Okay. Community trust, only 2 votes. So you can see what these guys are up to. Even from the graph, you can see what they are up to. We're not looking at graph, we're looking at, look at transactions they have done. Look at transactions they have sold. Okay, so there's transaction associated with that particular token we are looking at. Okay, so my point here is that you can check out a particular token address on DExtools.io, verify what that contract is all about, verify how many people are holding it, what is going on, transactions going in, market cap, and everything. This place is going to give it to you to know what you are into. These are steps you need to take if you want to verify a token. We have checked out that you need to verify on Etherscan. Google the contract address, see what people are talking about it, check if the contract address is verified, check if it's listed on DApp Radar Explorer, check if it's listed on decentralized exchanges. If it's only on decentralized exchanges, it could be a sign of scam. So be very, very careful when you see these new tokens coming up, popping up every day. You need to be very careful with them so that you don't fall into the hand of scammy people. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Trust that you have learned 1 or 2 things concerning this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye from here.